Going to again aim right there. Okay, so you want to pinch this up. Okay, and your bevel, keep an eye on where you're at. First thing you want to do is go straight in. Okay, get to where you need to be, and you're going to angle this down. A little bit of resistance, it's fine. Now you can feel right here. Take your finger. You see where I'm at?
I see it.
Okay, now I can take this and I can take my finger and I can guide this to exactly where I want it to be. Okay, and you want to do that. You want to push and pull. Okay, you see where we're at here?
Yeah. That's not causing you any discomfort?
Probably is the way I'm doing it here. Now, we're right here. We want on down, okay?
Mm-hmm.
See where we're at?
Mm-hmm.
You okay?
I didn't want to move or speak because I don't know because of the needle.
You're fine. So the next thing we're going to do, so we're down here, and you got a little bit left here. So I like to advance it just a little bit more, just to make sure we're past where we're trying to get. So you see where we're at? Feel that right there?
Yeah.
You see that? And we can move this. We know exactly where we're at. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pull this catheter out. The thread's going to stay in there because we're going to push on it right here, and we're going to activate that thread right there. So it's going to cinch where it needs to be. Okay? So just pull this straight out. Voila. There's the thread. Now, that thread, what we're going to do next is we want to pull up. I'm going to have to push on you, honey. Now, when I do that, what that's doing is that's
Opening it up?
yes, it's opening up the little barbs on that thread. Do you feel that? Do you feel those little pops?
No.
I feel them on your face.
Yeah, you're more experienced.
Yes. Okay, now hold your head right there. Now look here already. Look how smooth this is already. Now we haven't even pulled it where we need to be. Now this is a bibarb thread. So when I pull up, bibarb meaning barbs going both ways.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you're talking about bibarb, we pulled up, so we've activated these. So now we need to gently pull down to activate these. So you see what I'm saying? Barbs are going both ways. We don't want to just activate one. We want to go up and we want to go down. So we've gone up.
I hear those now.
You hear it now? Okay. And then we're going to gently go back down to activate them the
Why
other
do you
way.
need the down bar? Why does it? What's the...
Because it cinches the thread in place, and you want it fully cinched. So let me have your hand. I want you to feel this with me doing it with you. Put your two fingers like this. Okay. You feel it?
Yeah.
Okay. So take your hand like this. Come over here and rub gently up that. Take your hand right here, gently up. Do you feel those little
Yes.
You feel that? Okay.
Absolutely.
So now this one is set where I want it to set. Now look at the profile of her face. See how we've lifted this already here?
Yeah.
She doesn't have that jowl hanging down anymore. So we have to make sure. I'm just fanatical about it. I can't say sure. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut that thread. You don't want to walk around with that hanging out. Do you? No?
No.
Okay, don't smile. So when you cut the thread, these are little sterile scissors. You want to push down.
Push in a little bit.
Push in. Flip. Okay. Now, so we don't want this business going on. So here's what we do to fix that.